Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Let's Talk in English, your place for real English and important world news explained in simple English.
Hi, everyone. Before we begin, we want to make something clear. This is real news. Events are unfolding right now. What we are talking about affects people's lives. Today's topic is serious.
We are talking about rising conflict involving Israel, the United States, and Iran. We will explain what happened, why it matters, and how it affects people in clear and simple English.
Recently, the United States and Israel carried out military strikes against Iran. These strikes were not small. They were major military actions. Officials say these strikes were planned a long time ago and carried out suddenly. They hit many places across Iran, including military and leadership sites.
One very big claim is that Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, was killed in these strikes. This has not been officially confirmed by Iran, but Israeli and U.S. sources say it may be true.
The United States and Israel say they acted because they saw Iran as a threat. They say Iran could use its military or nuclear program in dangerous ways.
Israel has long been in conflict with Iran. Iran supports groups in the region that Israel calls threats. The United States has been allied with Israel for many years. This is part of a complex history.
After the strikes, Iran responded with missile and drone attacks across the region. These attacks hit areas in countries that host U.S. military bases, like Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, and the United Arab Emirates.
Explosions were also reported inside Israel, and multiple countries in the Middle East closed their airspace because of the danger.
This conflict matters not just for the Middle East. It matters for the whole world. Here's why. 1. Air travel has been disrupted. Flights are being canceled because of the danger. 2. Oil and global markets are affected. The Middle East is a major oil region. War can make oil prices go up. 3. Other countries are reacting. World leaders are worried and calling for peace, including at the United Nations. 4. Diplomacy. Talks and negotiations may become harder. There were talks between Iran and the U.S. about nuclear programs recently, but this conflict has damaged those efforts.
At the United Nations, leaders warned that war could spread and affect more countries. Some countries support the U.S. and Israel's actions. Other countries strongly condemn them and call for peace. This means the situation is complicated and very serious.
We must remember, news like this is not just information. It affects people's lives, families, children, workers, students, and ordinary citizens in many countries. If war grows, it could affect water supplies, electricity, food security, and everyday life for millions. That is why understanding this topic is important.
Before we finish, let's learn some words that appear in this topic. Conflict. A serious disagreement or fighting. Example, there is conflict between countries.
Retaliation. When one side responds to an attack by attacking back. Example, Iran started retaliation after the strikes. Escalation. When a conflict grows bigger or more serious. Example, the situation could escalate into wider war. Airspace, the space above a country's land where planes fly. Example, airspace was closed because it became too dangerous.
Today's world news can feel heavy. It can feel frightening.
But learning about these events is important. It helps us understand the world we live in and how news affects people's lives.
We encourage respectful conversations in the comments, not anger or fear.
Ask questions. Share your thoughts calmly. We are all learners here.
Thank you for watching.
Stay informed, stay safe, and let's talk in English together.